Hi guys, before I show you how to solve a subtraction equation with two-digit numbers, I wanted to put a quick note on here if any parents are listening or if any of you students are planning on trying more problems by yourselves. In first grade, we do not subtract numbers that have anything different than a 0 in the ones place. So we don't take away 11, we don't take away 22, 33, 44, 57, whatever. We don't take that away. We stick to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on up to 100. It is a second grade standard to regroup. So if you're wondering about that, we are not working on that right now. It's possible I will provide some enrichment opportunity videos later on with more challenging problems. So let's take a look here. If you can see my little makeshift board, can you see it? My equation here for subtraction, so taking away, I'm finding the difference of something. 74 minus 30. Now don't get overwhelmed. You have done 74. What's 10 less? You've done that several times, and that is the same thing as subtracting a two-digit number, just in a bigger scale. So 74 minus 30, I found out it equals 44, and I'm going to tell you how I found that out. So really important, the same way when we are doing a subtraction problem with 8 ducks in a pond and 4 of them leave, how many are left? When we're drawing a picture of our 8 ducks, we cross out the ducks that leave. We do not add more. So can you see here? I think so. I drew my quick picture of 74, my big number. My students know I'm always saying when we're subtracting, start with the bigger number first. So I drew 74. Then what I did was I crossed out 30. I did not add anything else. I crossed out 30. The way I did that was I took away 3 tens. Those represent 30. 3 tens is 30. So I crossed out 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I counted what was left, and I redrew it. 10, 20, 30, 40. My ones stay the same because there's nothing in my ones place value over here. So I still have 4 ones. So my answer is 44. 74 minus 30 equals 44. Let's try one together. If you're writing this equation down, it is 65 minus 20. I'll give you a second to write it down or pause. All right, so we are going to start with the bigger number first, right, guys? The one in front, because we are subtracting. So I'm going to draw a quick picture for 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 tens, 5 ones, 65. Now I need to pause and think. I'm taking away 20. I'm not adding it, so I'm not drawing any more quick pictures. I'm going to cross out 20, and the way I'm going to do that is by crossing out 2 tens that represent 20. So 1, 2, 10, 20. Now I need to count what's left. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I'm going to put a 4. And my ones should be the same, right? I should have 5 left. So my answer, the difference of 65 minus 20 is 45. Look at you guys. You just solved a two-digit, a two number, I don't know what I'm trying to say. You had two two-digit numbers and you solved a subtraction equation. Good job.